How to download and install the AliExpress application on Android devices. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want the AliExpress application for Android devices, it can be easily found via the Play Store. So first of all, visit the Play Store, and once that is done, click on the search bar on the top. After that, type in AliExpress and you will see a list of options. Make sure to select the correct one, which is written as AliExpress Shopping Online. It will now have to tap on install button, which will automatically start the download. It will take a total of 73.77 MB of your Android. Once the download is completed, the installation should automatically start, and after that you can just tap open the open button in order to access the application. After that, you can log in and use the AliExpress on your Android. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.